Yo, what up? Brian Foster here from We Are Films, and today we're going to teach you how to clone yourself or something else or anything. It applies to whatever. So, you ever seen in any film where they have two of the same person in there, three of the same person? It's the easiest effect ever. Like I said, we're going to be going up the ladder, so we're going to start pretty basic, something anybody could catch on, and maybe you can learn along the way, you know? I think this effect can get so creative if you do it right. You could put 2, 3, 4, 5 people in there, no green screen, no plugins. It's really easy. Let's jump right into it. I already have my sequence open. It is a 4K sequence, and I will be bouncing it down to 1080. I'll show you why in just a minute. So here I have one clip of my beautiful model Carry On sitting in one place. And then I took another clip. Actually, I didn't even take another clip. It's the same clip. I just had him get up and sit over in the other spot. From here, just click on one of the clips, the one you're going to overlap. Click on the clip, click on this cool little pen tool over here, and we're going to cut down the middle-ish. It doesn't have to be a perfect mask because our background doesn't change because we set this on a tripod. No, please set this on a tripod. And just as simple as that, we have two carries in the room. Oh, I see what he did there. He tried to dab himself a little bit. So let's go in there and clean up this mask a little bit. You can go to this button that says fit. Maybe zoom it in 100% or so if you want to get into detail with anything. And here I seen him fist bump himself. So I kind of want to clean this up as much as I can because chances are it didn't line up. We did not prep that enough for it to line up. Bring it back down to fit the screen. We'll move this back a little bit to see if we can. We'll go a little bit more forward. To get that mask off, just click on anywhere. And just like that, we have two Carrie Owenses. So the reason I left the sequence in 4K is actually pretty simple. I want to zoom in and I don't want to lose any quality. So what I do here is I will nest this sequence. Go up to the sequence settings, and I will change this to 1920 by 1080. Click it. You see it's a little zoomed in now. We can come out to about 50% over here in the effects controls, and here we can really play around with the motion. Like, say we want it to go in right when he does that. We'll take it. You start at the beginning. You set your keyframes. Them are these little buttons right here. Set your keyframes. Go over where you want it zoomed in. Zoom in as much as you'd like. Try not to go over 100% because that's when you start losing quality. So I like to do it like that, and then I'll go to the very end and I'll just set this back to 50. It's like we zoomed out. And then here we have more of a moving shot. There's different ways you can do this. It's really all up to you. If you want them to go smoother, highlight your keyframes like so. Hold shift if you can't get that last one and go ahead and click on it. Temporal interpolation. Go down to ease out and do it again. Go out to ease in. And you should have a nice, smooth cloning effect. And that's how you do it. Super simple. All you need is a tripod. Set your tripod there. Get your subject 2 different times. 3 different times, however many. Just make sure they're not overlapping each other, because then you'll get the cuts out, like the problem we had with the hand in there. If you do want to do it without that, then you'll need a green screen or something to that extent, or you're going to have to get really good with the masking. Either or, you can be super creative with this effect, and I really hope it helps you guys stay creative and stay making what you love. And tune in next time. Subscribe to me. I'll be dropping these every week. Thank you.